How to turn on iPhone Findable after power off. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your device. Inside the Settings menu, go to your Apple account which displays your name. This takes to the Apple account screen. Then scroll down to Find and tap on Find My as shown. Now, tap on Find My iPhone at the top of the screen. To make your iPhone findable after it's powered off, you need to enable the Find My network. Ensure the toggle for Find My network is on. This lets you locate your iPhone even when it's offline or powered off. Following these steps, you can easily turn on iPhone Findable after power off. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.